Welcome to Saanvi's world. I am Saanvi, and today I'm going to tell you a story. Once there was a teacher who told the student, "Go and get me water from the lake." And then the student went, and then suddenly a bullock cart went into the lake, and all of the water got muddy. And then the and then the student told the teacher, "I'm sorry, a bullock cart went into the water, so it was muddy." And then the teacher said, "Just wait." So the student, he went there and waited. So the student went and waited at the lake, and then all of the water cleared up. All the mud got settled down. He was very happy, and he brought the water to the teacher. So the teacher said, sometimes in life these stuff happen. We just need to wait. When difficult time comes, you have to calm down and wait. The difficult time will go away. So just calm down and wait for the good time to come. Just breathe in and out. Sometimes in life, these things happen, so you just have to wait and calm down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Saanvi's World. And if you have any comments, please post them. Bye.